In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a minimalist Shopify website. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Head to Online Store, then Themes. Add the free Dawn theme. It's clean, fast, and perfect for a minimal look. Once it's installed, click Customize to open the visual editor where all your changes come to life. Before you move elements around, set your color foundation. Choose 2 to 3 neutral tones, think white, black, beige, or gray, and apply them under Theme Settings, then Colors. A tight palette keeps the site cohesive and lets your products stand out. Next, upload a minimal logo. Use a transparent PNG so it blends with any background. Keep the design simple and legible at small sizes. Clarity matters more than decoration in a minimalist layout. Customize your header by centering the logo and adding a short announcement bar for key info like shipping or a seasonal message. Keep the navigation lean, just your core links so visitors aren't overwhelmed. For the hero banner, create a clean visual in Canva. Pair a high quality image with very little text and a single unmistakable call to action button. This is the first thing people see, so make it focused and scannable. Organize your products into clear collections such as new arrivals, bestsellers, and sale, then surface them with a collection list section. To drive attention to what converts, add a featured collection showcasing your top products. Introduce your brand with a concise About Us section. Share what you do and why you do it in a few honest lines to build connection without clutter. Reassure shoppers by highlighting store benefits. Use a multi-column section to call out free shipping, secure checkout, premium quality, and customer support. Short labels with simple icons work beautifully here. Build trust with customer reviews. Display testimonials prominently so new visitors can see real experiences. Invite people to stay in the loop with an email sign up. A short promise like updates or exclusive offers can boost conversions. If you're active on social, connect your Instagram to add fresh lifestyle content and social proof. Always optimize for mobile. Preview on desktop and mobile, then fine-tune spacing and font sizes to keep everything readable and tap-friendly. When everything looks right, review all pages and links, then publish your store. A few final minimalist tips. Use plenty of white space, limit fonts to 1 or 2, keep product descriptions concise, rely on professional photos, and prioritize simple, intuitive navigation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.